In this challenge, we're trying to figure out whether add to cart functionality is working after the e-commerce team made the changes in it. So here's the problem. E-commerce team made a change to add to cart functionality earlier this week. They want to know if changes they made are working or not. You, the analyst, have to respond to this. Before you can even start analyzing, you have to understand how add to cart functionality is tracked in Google Analytics. In this case, it's tracked as event action. So we're going to go to Google Analytics and see where you can find this information to help the e-commerce team. So here we are in Google Analytics. We know that add to cart functionality is tracked as event and as an action. So events are available in behavior. So click on behavior and then click on events. This is where scroll down and go to top events. This is where all the events are tracked. However, you can see there is no add to cart functionality. Now, if you remember back the problem, we said it's tracked as event action. What we are seeing here by default is event category. So you have to click on this little link which says event action to see all the event actions. Click on it. And here you can see add to cart. Now they made the change earlier this week, so I'm going to go and do week over week comparison. So I'm going to change the date range here. Now go and pick this week. Let's assume it's Mondays when the week started. So Monday, and we'll go to Sunday. So Monday to Sunday as your end. And then compare it to the previous week. Go ahead and apply it. And now let's scroll down. And here you have add to cart. As you can see, there is a 13% improvement from previous week. So this is this week and the previous week. And here is a 13% improvement in add to cart. Keep in mind, this is one data point. You have to look at many more data points to come to final conclusion if add to cart is working or not. For example, if the visits have improved by 15% this week compared to last week, then add to cart hasn't performed that well. However, given that this is an intro level Google Analytics course, I would say you can assume everything else remained the same, and in that condition, add to cart has definitely improved.